To add Instagram on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you could add your Instagram handle to your TikTok account. So the first thing you need to do now is you need to open your TikTok account. So once you actually open your TikTok account, the first thing you need to do now is to head over to your profile section. So once you already locate your profile section, so all you need to do is to click on where it says edit profile. So once you click on where it says edit profile, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. So literally you're going to see where it says socials right here. So you're going to see where you could actually add your social media account to your TikTok account. So you're going to see Instagram right here, you're going to see YouTube right here. So all you need to do is just click on where it says Instagram. So once you actually click on it right here, they're going to prompt you to actually put in your Instagram username. So all you need to do right here is just put in your Instagram username. Then once you're done with that, you need to click on confirm. So I already added my Instagram username right here. That's the reason why they're saying I should unlink or remove my account. So guys, that is how you could actually add your Instagram to your TikTok account. And I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know it did, please don't forget to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So guys, if you know you need any form of help, feel free to click on the first link in the video description. So it's going to take you to a place where you could actually book a one-on-one consultation with me. So you could actually ask me any form of question you might want to ask me, and guys, I'm going to be answering all your questions.